all you can and you're running with kings. But how far could you go if you run with the wind? And the chances you take are what give you wings, and you can fly.
I'm Lou Baer, President and CEO of Civility Experts Worldwide, and it's my pleasure today to take a few minutes to congratulate one of our colleagues. His name is Christian Masotti. He works closely with us at Civility Experts. He is a civility as continuous improvement expert, and I had the privilege of working with him on a book called Manufacturing Civility, and I'm just going to pop up a picture for you here so that you can see Christian in action. This is at, I think, a book launch for the book. Christian has 3 books now, one published by Propriety Publishing, one by Social Motion, and a brand new one called Lean on Civility through Business Expert Press. And civility in manufacturing is a very hot topic these days, and I'm going to move out of the screen for just a minute and you can focus on Christian, and I will just tell you a little bit about the book. So, Incivility at Work is real, and it's real in manufacturing. According to a Gallup State of American Workplace report, 75% of manufacturing workers are disengaged at work. 75%. So, in fact, the manufacturing industry, according to a Gallup report, is the least engaged industry across sectors. The least engaged industry across sectors. And a closer look at the research reveals that a primary cause for this disengagement is poor leadership. Specifically, supervisors and managers with low social acuity are co-creating uncivil workplace cultures. So in Manufacturing Civility, Christian provides a 6 C's formula for solving people problems. And these strategies result in continuous improvements that shift workplace culture away from traditional toxic and uncivil organizations towards healthier, more positive workplace experiences for employees in manufacturing environments. The people treatment aspect of the proprietary manufacturing civility methodologies have been co-created by 20-year international experts, our team at Civility Experts, and I am pleased to be contribute to this important book, which I really think is going to change workplace culture in manufacturing organizations all around the globe. So just so that you're aware, in case you're not familiar with civility, but civility is a measurable competency. And when we apply civility to how people are treated at work, it is a continuous improvement strategy that has measurable impacts on retention and engagement, performance, workplace wellness and safety, innovation, creativity, and problem solving, bottom line business metrics, including profitability. You can find the book on Amazon, Manufacturing Civility, Masotti and Baer. You might also enjoy Lean on Civility by Business Expert Press, which should be available on Amazon as well. And the third book, which is called Social Competence by Masotti for Manufacturing Supervisors. Thanks very much. Please like and subscribe to the channel and join us again for Consider Civility.
The reason why each of us comes to this earth, and your actions will always speak louder than words, and you'll never know what you're capable of until you try.